Hello everybody, my name is Marcus Wendt. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Awareness Branding Consulting. And for the last year and a half, we've been planning the best ways to provide you with the most relevant, educational, helpful, and most importantly, actionable content to help grow your business. So for those of you who don't know who we are, I'm going to take a brief moment to share our vision. So our vision is to become the leading place of refuge and reliability for the everyday small business owner around the world who wants to leave an unforgettable mark and forever inspire creativity and innovation. And we do this by providing them the guidance they need to grow their businesses successfully, inspire their communities, their employees, their customers, and to help them maintain an infinite mindset. Now you might be asking, what's an infinite mindset? So we're very big proponents of Simon Sinek's philosophies of start with your why and the infinite mindset. In fact, it's deeply rooted in our company culture and the way we do business. And we truly believe that if more businesses around the world, whether you're a startup or already doing billions of dollars, implemented these same philosophies into their company culture, that the way of doing business would be accelerated 10x and we would have a bigger impact on a global scale. So we invite you to stay tuned. Every week we're going to provide actionable blogs, helpful content in the videos, and ultimately our goal is to provide you with enough content that can help you grow your business and so that you can leave your own unforgettable mark on humanity. Like the channel, subscribe, leave any comments in the section. We'll get to them when we can, and we look forward to seeing you in the coming weeks. Thank you.